What's up, y'all? Today we're gonna do America's favorite. We're gonna do the French fry out of fresh potatoes. Subscribe to the channel. Let's get it smacking. All right, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna cut them down to manageable pieces, how you like it. I like mine kind of like a smaller than a wedge, bigger than a fry. A little bit bigger than standard. Get these cut down real good. If you have a potato cutter, that'll be easier, of course, and quicker. A lot of times in the potato cutters, depending on what kind you get, you have to cut the ends off the potato to get them to fit in there, unless you have a larger size one. But anyway, you get the idea. That's about the size of the fries that I'm doing. Right here, I have my cornstarch, about a quarter cup, and then I have my wheat flour, about 2 tablespoons. Now, I cut about 7 potatoes. There's my cornstarch and my wheat flour mix. We're gonna take those and get them covered up. Get those mixed up real good. Now get on over here to the fryer. Drop these in. And as you notice, I did leave the skin on. And if you want to peel the total potato, that's fine. I like skin on with my fries, especially when I'm doing them from a regular potato and not buying them in a bag. All right, we'll put just enough in here so they can cook and have room to move around. Let them cook for about 5-6 minutes. Move them around a little bit, drop them back in the oil. All right, got the first basket out. That's the second basket. Sounding good. It's clinging against the basket. Let you know that they're done. There you have it. I'll put my seasoning on here. I like a lot of lemon pepper, as you can see. I do a lot of lemon pepper. I like lemon pepper with seasoning salt. So I'll do a 3-to-1 ratio lemon pepper with all seasoning salt. I think that lemon pepper just puts certain food over the edge. Now get that mixed in there real good. This is quick. As you see, we got it plated. Home fries with ketchup. Look at that. Keep it smacking. Come on back. Subscribe to the channel. Easy meal done in 12 minutes. Peace.